time to leave traffic behind. This is the Hemo H1, the award-winning folding electric bike that invites you to a better daily commute. Our biggest concern with design was providing you with both an enjoyable riding experience, but also a comfortable and convenient off-wheel experience. As the winner of the 2019 German Red Dot Design Award, the Hemo H1 folds down small, I mean really small, to about the size of a piece of A3 paper. It fits in your bag, sits next to you on the train, and is unobtrusive in the office. Rest assured, we sure didn't compromise power for portability. The A380 aluminum body weighs only 14.5 kilograms and is built for an incredibly smooth and sturdy ride. This lightweight package is powered by a 180-watt brushless DC motor, allowing you to hit speeds of 18 kilometers per hour and tackle urban terrain effortlessly. We know all commutes are different, so we designed a battery to maximize mileage while upholding our company's dedication to green energy. This rechargeable system holds 7,500 milliamp hours, which translates to a 30-kilometer range at maximum weight capacity. To aid user safety, the Hemo H1 features an ultra-bright LED headlamp, along with an LCD screen, complete with speedometer and battery indicator. On top of that, the digital brake system allows you to safely stop the vehicle with the press of a finger. So we invite you to be different, but stylish, fast and convenient, stable and green. The Hemo H1.
spend about 8 hours a day sitting at my desk, like everybody else. Sitting all day is unhealthy, it's disorganized, it's unproductive, and it's lazy. Supposedly Churchill worked standing up, although he was drinking while doing so. His desk was a mess, it was wartime, he smoked too many cigars. I can imagine this only led to pretty stuffy air in the office, which eventually led to the death of his plants. I'll show you a trick. They built all these functions in. And there are certain features which shouldn't be integrated. This is the AIT Smart 1. Adjustable height, the perfect size, ambient LED lighting, integrated cables, drawer with electronic safe lock, measures air quality, controllable via a simple app, built-in wireless charger, built-in speakers, built-in air freshener, ergonomic footrests, and a built-in fitness module. It looks amazing too, so. I forgot to tell you about the Phantom 1. Boss! Boss, what the? Okay, yeah, I'll take that. Sorry to interrupt. Here you go. Now, if you please, if you'll just. So this is the best of the best, the Phantom 1. Boss, focus, yeah? Now, back to work.
Do you want to protect yourself from harmful viruses and bacteria? To prevent diseases such as the coronavirus, flu, sore throat, and a variety of other illnesses? According to the CDC, Center for Disease Control and Prevention, one of the best ways to prevent viruses, especially the coronavirus, is to use alcohol-based hand sanitizers and wipes to disinfect surfaces and your hands. That is why we invented the Pocket Sanitizer. It is a compact hand sanitizer with an accompanying wipe dispenser that easily attaches to your cell phone, so you can clean your hands whenever you want.
Simply attach a sleeve to your cell phone and then connect the sanitizer. Another way to connect your sanitizer is by snapping it in with a strong stick-on fastener. The Pocket Sanitizer contains an alcohol-based solution that kills more than 99% of germs. It is also FDA approved. It's so compact, slim, and lightweight that you won't even notice it's on your phone. It connects to any type of cell phone, whether you have Apple or Samsung or another brand.
Now you can protect yourself wherever you go, at the office, at home, at the gym, while traveling, or anywhere else. Order your Pocket Sanitizer today and we'll give you a compact sanitizer wipe case that attaches both to your phone and to the Pocket Sanitizer through a fastener for free. Stay healthy by protecting yourself with a Pocket Hand Sanitizer. Support this project today and together we can win the battle against diseases.
This is fat. And this is a Fat Freezer Cryo Shape. This innovative tool is fat freezing cryolipolysis reinvented. Introducing the Fat Freezer Cryo Shape, the only patented at-home fat freezing device to freeze away stubborn fat that's now cordless. You heard me right, the Fat Freezer is now totally cordless. It's better, smarter, and faster. Years ago, Freeze and Fit revolutionized the fat reduction industry by bringing you our first generation fat freezer system. With thousands of units sold, our satisfied customers were really happy and they asked for more, and we didn't disappoint. The Fat Freezer Platinum system was introduced using our innovative Theralite technology, making your fat freezing even more effective. And amazingly, nearly 10,000 people backed our campaign, and we shipped thousands of units with 5-star reviews. We could have stopped there, but we listened to our customers, and our engineers went back to work with additional research and development. We created the all-new cordless Fat Freezer Cryo Shape, so you can freeze away stubborn fat anywhere you want. Around the house, in the kitchen, watching TV, relaxing outside, in the car, the gym, wherever you want, anytime, anywhere. A university study showed that 95% of dieters fail. Why? Well, when you diet and exercise, the fat cells shrink. Well, that's good, right? But when you eat, fat cells grow back. Although it's not a weight loss device, whether we can shrink the fat cells or they grow back, the number of fat cells in your body always remains the same. Imagine being able to say goodbye to those fat cells. The Fat Freezer CryoShape uses advanced cryolipolysis technology to freeze away stubborn fat in the comfort of your own home, all while cordless. With the advanced Theralite therapy, it optimizes the fat reduction process. The digital smart display and automatic timer means keeping track of your session just got that much easier. Cryolipolysis is being used in high-end salons all around the world. It costs thousands of dollars each time and requires several visits. The Fat Freezer CryoShape brings the salon to you. It's safe, easy to use, saves you money, and best of all, it works. What more could you ask for? Fat freezing technology uses controlled cooling to help target and freeze stubborn fat cells. Your body then naturally dissolves and flushes out those frozen fat cells. Look, only the fat freezes while the water does not. The water then helps flush out the frozen fat cells, and the surrounding skin and muscle tissue remains safe and healthy. Studies have shown cryolipolysis to be a safe and effective way to freeze body fat. Because of the natural way your body dissolves away the fat, there are no saggy pockets left behind. The automatic ventilation doors make sure there's optimal airflow through the cooling system. They automatically open when you start and close all on their own when your session is done. Simple and smart. The Fat Freezer CryoShape uses our proprietary Theralite therapy, which actively targets fat cells. Studies reveal that when the sun's blue light penetrates the skin and reaches the underlying fat cells, the fat shrinks, releases naturally. That's why in the summer, we tend to lose weight, and in the winter, we tend to gain it back. Since our last design, we've done additional testing and were awarded 2 patents. And after years of research and development, the Fat Freezer CryoShape, our newest innovation and cordless fat freezing device, is available to you. Back our campaign and experience our most advanced at-home fat freezing technology available today. The compact and cordless design makes it even easier to freeze your fat. Get your Fat Freezer CryoShape today.